You guys, I got some mail. Look at it. I got a box from Premier with brand new yarn that I must show you. So let's check it out together. You guys, look at this yarn. It's called anti-pilling yarn. It is also very well known as the Everyday Yarn by Premier. So it used to have a different name. It used to be called Deborah Noville Everyday Yarn or just Everyday Yarn. But guess what? They have a new name and it's called anti-pilling. Why is that? Well, it's always been anti-pilling, so why don't we just talk about it that it's anti-pilling? It is special yarn. It has special fiber inside that allows you to wash your project up to 350 times without any pilling. And if you ever see just a slight pilling, simply pop it into the wash and dry it up, and there it is, no pilling. You can wash it over and over again up to 350 times. Perfect. Don't you love that? It's amazing. The anti-pilling yarn collection comes with over 140 colors in different weights. Oh, I love it. So let me show you some of these because I have some of them right here. So as you can see, this yarn is exclusive by Premier. There's no other anti-pilling yarn out there. So this one specifically is Everyday Worsted. Again, it comes from the Everyday Worsted weighted yarn. It has 203 yards in 4 ounces. And again, it is 100% anti-pilling. It has a fiber that is specially formulated to resist pilling over time. And it is so beyond awesome. You don't have to pick anything. You don't have to shave anything off. It's amazing. It also comes with the EcoTech Standard 100 Class A certification. That means that the yarns have passed the highest standards suitable for direct contact with the most sensitive skin, even babies and small children. That is perfect. So this specific one is a 4 medium yarn, and it comes with many different colors. And then they have a similar version of it, as you can see right here. The only difference is that these ones are heather. That means they have a little bit of flakiness inside. So when you look at the name, it says here red heather, whereas this one is just coral. So the heather ones have some flakiness, and then there's the solid ones. They're the same weight and they have the same amount of yarn. The only difference is one is solid and one is in heather. And then they have another amazing version out there. It's called the Anti-Pilling Bamboo. It's a chunky yarn, the same style, again anti-pilling, but it's a bulky yarn. It has 80% anti-pilling acrylic, again has the special fiber in it that doesn't create any pilling. And then it has 20% rayon from bamboo. It has 131 yards and 3.5 ounces. This bamboo is so amazingly soft. Seriously, I don't think I've ever touched something this soft. It is really nice and fluffy. I really, really like it. And as you can see, I have some of the different colors that they have. This one is called pomegranate, and then this one over here is called plum sorbet. And I also have a beige version, and that one is called apricot. So these are beyond soft, and I love them. So again, you can see all the different varieties of yarn here, and that's not even all of it. There's so much more yarn. So let me show you again the 3 different types of yarn. I'll see if I can put them all in my hand. So there's more of them, okay? So this one is a solid one, this one is the heather, and then this is the bamboo version, okay? So they have so many different varieties. They have even variegated yarn that's anti-pilling. If you go to Premier's website and you go to the anti-pilling part of the website, you see all the different varieties, weights, and thicknesses, and colors. It's beyond amazing, seriously. So If you look at my website, you're going to see so many patterns all using this yarn, specifically these two. This one actually the most, and I love it. I can use it all the time. It is easy to work with, and as I said, you can wash it as many times as you wish, and it won't pill. So perfect for baby blankets, for jackets, for cardigans, for hats. I have it for hats all the time, and for scarves. Wow. And here's something important to tell you. Anytime you use this amazing yarn, I would really recommend for you guys to use a special hashtag when you post on social media. So the first thing you want to do is use the hashtag Anti-Pilling Club. That way we can tell the big stores, the big craft stores, yarn stores, to pick up this amazing yarn so you can buy it in stores. Awesome. So the more people use this hashtag, the more Premier can see how many people really, really love this yarn. And I do love it, and I'm sure you will too. And there's other hashtags you should use. There's hashtag Make It Premier, hashtag Premier Yarns, and hashtag Express Your Passion. Those four hashtags are so important when it comes to Premier yarns as well as the anti-pilling yarn. Now you can also sign up for the Anti-Pilling Club. Why would you do that? Because you get special discounts just for the Anti-Pilling Club. How awesome is that? And if you look in the description, you can also see something more amazing. I have currently a discount code for you to get this yarn 10% off. And here's the little trick. If you add at least $65 worth of yarn to your cart, you can get free shipping. Who doesn't want that? Free shipping. I love it. Again, use my coupon code. It expires at a certain time, so be careful. And use my link to get 10% off for this amazing yarn. So, how much do you love this yarn? Oh, I love it so much. So, be sure to check it out. It is on premieryarns.com, and look at all the variety that is out there. I can't wait to make something with this amazing yarn. Let's see, what is my next project? I want to know what's yours. Leave a comment below and let me know which project you're going to work on with this amazing yarn. I want to know. I'm very curious. And if you need some inspiration, check out my website. Link is also in the description for some free crochet patterns using this yarn. Thanks for watching. I hope you liked this video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and follow me on social media at Nikki's Homemade Crafts. You can also find me on my website at nikkishomemade.com. Thanks for watching. Bye!